Hey, I'm James Cruse. I'm the pit master at City BBQ in downtown New Orleans. I've personally won Hawks of the Cause 3 times, Memphis in May. And also we've won some local stuff, local media awards as well, being Best in New Orleans, being voted the #1 barbecue restaurant in New Orleans, and we're also the largest barbecue restaurant in Louisiana. We touch on all the regions of barbecue. Texas-style brisket, Carolina-style pork. Our ribs are kind of a sort of a Memphis/Kansas City rub, a dry rub rib. We've got some great sides, spoon bread, Brussels sprouts. The brisket chili is really good. Mix some of that with the spoon bread. You got a good meal that way. We'd love for you to come spend some time with us at City BBQ. It's a great place. It's a live music venue, phenomenal food. If you don't have time to hang out with me and the rest of the staff here and enjoy our facility here, go through D'livery NOLA's app and look for us on there, and fast, quick delivery for some phenomenal food.
That's a wrap.